with, of course,
My first true love.
Sir Gabby Concepcion.
Yes, first husband.
Launching. From transition
Launching.
of being a singer, tapos naging actress.
Una, I never thought my parents would allow me to do it. Kaya nagbigay sila ng super exorbitant na parang obscene na presyo for a beginner. Parang ang talent fee na gusto ko, sabi ng dati ko, ganito. Eh yun ang binabayad sa mga sobrang sikat na. I'll never forget Tito Ernie and Tito Danny. If the mayor doesn't allow Sharon to do this movie, I will never do it. Because April is based on her.
Ginawa
Yeah,
ang role
April is
para kay
Sharon. I really wrote it for her. So when I was shooting the movie, I was so blessed. I was so fortunate na my first role ever was basically just myself. Nilagyan lang first love, yung love talaga. Tapos nagsushoot kami ni Gabby ng mga 5 months. Walang ligawan, nothing. Nung dubbing na,
Doon na nagka-develop pa.
doon na parang, iba na to si Mr. Concepcion. Pero ayun. Tsaka nung tinanong ako, who would you like to be your leading man? Because the main character was really April and there had to be a special ka-love team. Wala naman akong ka-love team, di ba? Eh, ang puppy love ko si Albert Martinez. Hanggang phone lang kami ni Albert. So, sabi ko syempre, anybody but Gabby Concepcion. That was my answer. I'll never forget it. And then, Albert was not available. Regal siya eh. Even Gabby was regal. Walang available. Si Gabby lang at that time. Kasi siguro kakatapos lang niya ng ibang movie. So, tinanggap nila. Tapos, ayan na.
Dumire-diretso na. The rest is history talaga.
Yes.
Unang kita kay Gabby nung nagkasama na sa location.
Hindi kami nagpapansin.
Dead ma? O walang spark talaga na, ang cute, ang walang
Hindi, nakakapuhan ako. Pero hindi lang kasi siya yung gwapong nakikilala ko eh.
Fairness.
Hindi bago sa akin yung gwapo.
Totoo.
Oo.
Yung ganyang itsura kasi mamanikain talaga eh. Para pag nakita
No, he's
parang,
really very handsome.
Oo,
He's one of the
totoo.
most handsome
Totoo yan.
in the whole world.